how to fix Instagram story frames option not showing on your Instagram application. If you're having this issue, then this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, open your Instagram application and hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there on the top, select three lines and then hit on the setting and privacy. Now, scroll down to the last where we'll found help. Hit on that and select report a problem and choose report problem without checking, and this explain box will be open. From here you need to briefly explain that you want to solve or fix Instagram story frames option not showing and hit on the send. Instagram team will help you out within the 24 hours. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.